This has got to do with Kutlwano Letlhaku. It's a long-standing contract saga, this. Mamelodi Sundowns had received 2 offers as far back as August 2025 regarding the player from a Portuguese club, going as high up as 30 million rands, and the Brazilians rejected that, saying this is our future prospect. He's going nowhere, especially after the FIFA Club World Cup as well. Now, news coming out of Klorkop is that the player has also rejected a new offer from the club, and essentially it appears as though he would want to run down his contract, which has got around 18 months or so left on it, with a potential move on the works, potentially as a free agent. But we could see how this works out in the coming weeks, coming months, as Mamelodi Sundowns are determined to keep their future star, who's only just turning 20 years old, and you could see that he holds a special place in the club's heart. I want to go to Hlompho Kekana on this as former skipper of Mamelodi Sundowns. Could this affect his minutes at the club with this current contract standoff from Kekana?
You know, Mazola and the guys, I think I love the boy. I just love the boy, and I hope in whatever they're deciding about him, it has to benefit both parties, because the kid needs to play football regularly.